Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to MLT DEC0DE. This is the molecular biology playlist and the MCQs lecture. So the MCQ number 41 is: once unwound, which enzyme prevent double helix DNA from rejoining, like ACE, RNA dependent DNA polymerase, single stranded binding protein, or polymerase? So the right answer is single stranded binding protein. The next MCQ is: RNA molecule that carry genetic information from genes to rest of the cell is transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, or all of these? The right answer is tRNA. Next is: for transcription, the bacterial enzyme that reads the DNA for promoter region is DNA polymerase holoenzyme, RNA polymerase holoenzyme, like ACE holoenzyme, or all of these? The right answer is RNA polymerase holoenzyme. Next is: the decoding of messenger RNA is done by submicroscopic machines which translate messenger RNA are nucleosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, all of these? The right answer is ribosomes. Next is: deamination of adenine generate product hypoxanthine, uracil, oxidase, or biliverdin? The right answer is hypoxanthine. Next MCQ is: the poly A tail present at which end? 5' end, 3' end, both ends, or none? The right answer is 3' end. Next MCQ is: how many types of histones are there? H2, H3, H4 and H5, H2, H3 and H4, H2 and H3, or none? The right answer is H2, H3 and H4. Next is: heterochromatin is the type of chromatin which are loosely condensed, highly condensed, intermediate condensed, or none? The right answer is highly condensed. Next MCQ is: Southren blotting is a technique used to analyze RNA, DNA, protein, or all of these? The right answer is DNA. Next MCQ is: in eukaryotes for ribosomal RNA formation, which enzyme is used? RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3, or all of these? The right answer is RNA polymerase 1. Next is: AUG is a start codon which encode for lysine, methionine, threonine, or all of these? The right answer is methionine. Next MCQ is: eukaryotes have which subunit of ribosomes in them? 50S, 60S, 70S, 80S, or none? Right answer is 80S. Next is: in eukaryote, translation occur in cytoplasm and nucleus, cytoplasm and rough endoplasmic reticulum, and all of these? The right answer is cytoplasm and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next is: Wobble effect in central dogma: increase risk of mutation, decrease risk of mutation, increase carcinogenesis, or none? Right is decrease risk of mutation. Next is: the 50S subunit in prokaryotes are inhibited by which drug? Aminoglycoside, macrolide, tetracycline, all of these? The right answer is macrolide. Next MCQ is: initiation factor utilize ATP, ADP, GTP, and GTP? The right answer is GTP. Next MCQ is: DNA like ACE is linking enzyme which form covalent bond, ionic bond, hydrogen bond, or none? The right answer is covalent bond. Next MCQ is: which of the following amino acid have one codon? Leucine and lysine, tryptophan and methionine, methionine and serine, and arginine and aspartate? The right answer is methionine and tryptophan. Next MCQ is: Shine-Dalgrone Sequence bind to which codon and initiate translation in prokaryote? AUG, UGA, UAA, UAU? Right is AUG. Next MCQ is: Wobble Hypothesis states that transfer RNA recognize one codon, more than one codon, no codon, or none? The right answer is more than one codon. Next is: DNA replication occur in which phase of cell cycle? S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, and mitosis? The right is S phase. Next MCQ is: besides possible error in replication, DNA constantly attacked by both physical and chemical agents which cause mutations are radiation, free radical, chemicals, all of these? Right one is all of these. Next MCQ is: Pyrimidine dimers formation is double base alternation, single base alternation, cross linkage, or none. The right answer is double base alternation. Next is, if the mutation has negligible effect on function of genes, then it is known as frameshift mutation, silent mutation, insertion mutation, substitution mutation. Right is silent mutation. Next is, damage to DNA caused by UV radiations can be repaired by UVR, ABCA exonuclease, DNA polymerase 1, DNA ligase, all of these. Right is all of these. The next MCQ is, Eukaryotes differ from prokaryotes in their mechanism of DNA replication due to unidirectional rather than bidirectional replication, discontinuous rather than semi-discontinuous replication, use of DNA primer rather than RNA. Same enzyme are used for synthesizing of leading and lagging strands in pro and eukaryotes. The right answer is discontinuous rather than semi-discontinuous replication. Next is, uracil, hypoxanthine and xanthine not normally present in the body, so they are removed by basic chain repair, nucleic chain repair, mismatch repair, double strand break repair. Right is basic chain repair. Next is, the defect in the nucleotide exchange repair causes autosomal recessive disease called gout, xeroderma pigmentosum, Totter syndrome, or autoimmune hepatitis. Right is xeroderma pigmentosum. Next MCQ is, hereditary non-polypoisis colon cancer is most common hereditary cancer linked with faulty mismatch repair, basic chain repair, nucleotide exchange repair. All of these. The right answer is mismatch repair. Next MCQ is, sickle cell anemia is a classical example of silent mutation, missense mutation, frameshift mutation, or none. The right answer is missense mutation. Next MCQ is, protein misfolding result in formation of what, which cause CNS disease like Alzheimer's disease and mad cow prion, frameshift mutation, crystals, or granuloma. Right is prion. Thank you dear students, please like and subscribe our channel.